audio, music production, songwriting, it's always been using cutting edge technology. It's an interesting thing saying that AI is going to fake things because ultimately there's always been smoke and mirrors.
Audio engineers have had to survive through so many tech shifts, from tapes to digital to AI. But worrying about these tools making their jobs obsolete is nothing new. Do you know what this is?
To be honest, I know what it is, but I couldn't really tell you how it works.
It's a tape machine from probably looks like early 70s, maybe?
On one hand, anything new that comes in it's going to have its challenges, it's going to have its perks, it's going to have people who are way too into it, and they're also going to have the people who reject it too much.
Noise reduction technology, where I've recorded things, there's been like bad background noise, or like as we're doing this, someone's walked by and they're yelling, and then I could use the technology of now to basically remove some of that and clean audio up. That's kind of helped like a lot. There's actually like a lot of work in completing a music production. So if AI is fixing some of that stuff and doing it for you, then you're just spending more time creating.
You can use it in your own way to really understand things, enhance the things that you like.
AI is just going to be another one of those kind of tools that is using smoke and mirrors to make something interesting for people to listen to.
Everyone's going to have a different flavor. Everyone's going to have a different style that they like.
Red flags start to come in when you think, does this suit my style? Does this suit my workflow? Is this good for me?
I think if you're starting to have those new ideas that aren't coming from within you, then I think you've got a problem.